Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Right. So now let us move to the further. So I'll continue the previous session. What I was discussed in the previous class, no? Indexing and slicing. Indexing. This is our concept I said, and these are notes I sent to you. Okay. And I hope you might read these examples. You might write these examples, and I written the meaning of indexing, and I did 1D indexing, 2D indexing, and then ND indexing. Already we did. And next 1D indexing syntax, I wrote it. Index can be either positive or negative, and I wrote the syntaxes here. 2D indexing here, 2D index of row index, comma column index, or 2D index of row index as well as column index. It is written over there. And ND index also written matrix index, row index, and then what? Column index is mentioned over here. Okay. At the same time, this part was very simple. We already understood that. Slicing, very, very important and little complicated you felt. And the last part of it, numpy slicing, getting some range of values or a subset of values from iterable object is called slicing. You can apply slicing on three types of ND arrays. 1D, which is very easy for you. 2D, was very, very important. And in 1D, begin colon end, begin colon end, colon begin colon end colon step. And what I was explained it, that I forwarded once again to you people, and you might seen this as a part of the notes. Once you came to the class, don't look at backside. You come here, sit here. So here already we are having 2D arrays, 2D array slicing. Already said to you, 2D array object, row beginning, row end, row step, column beginning, column end, column step. So row begin, row end can be either positive or negative. Column beginning, column ending is also called what? Already we wrote in the last session. You know this? Right. This part already we discussed it. And I hope that I did not explain you. This is called slicing on. It's a slicing concept. Yesterday I said students. I hope that I said up to where. Is it covered 3D there? No. So I want to go for covering 3D also. I want to cover that part also. Let me go to that. I'll go to, which is the example window. Now 1D indexing example also I was shared it that you already. So today I want to go for 3D, and I'll go for advanced indexing and slicing. I want to go for it. This is a very, very important. Now go to this place here for you to warm up. I'll go to slicing, slicing on, come on, ND, ND arrays, ND arrays. So there I'm trying to take up the syntax. I will write it. Syntax is, come on, faster. What is this? ND array object of ND array object of what? Matrix, matrix begin, matrix beginning. Next, matrix, come on. Or before that, I want to show you some small example on 2D. After that, I will go to this place. Let me check it out. So import numpy as np. So a is equal to np dot array of np dot np dot random dot randint of or something like let it be. So a array of I'm going to take up some data here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, some 15 comma 25 comma 35 comma. I will go for 55 and 65 and then 75 and I will take it as 12. So totally how many elements? 16 elements. Dot what reshape of reshape of reshape of. Come on, 4 comma 4. You know, right? Print of content of A, content of A. So there I am writing print of A. So which is going to be 4 comma 4. Dimension is what? What is the dimension? Two dimension. What is the shape? Shape 4 comma 4. Who is that 16? Shape is called what? 4 comma 4. Size 16. 16. 16. So already I said difference between shape and then size. Good. Don't get confusion, students, because that is a regularly asking question. What are the attributes of ND array and all? Now I want to get it. I want to get it. See my queries. I want to get. I want to get the values as what Last two columns I want to get it. Last two columns. Last two columns I want to get it. Last two columns I want to get it. Last two columns means what? This column plus this column I want to get it. How do I get these two columns? Last two columns, how do I get it? So I want to go for A of come on. How many rows? All rows. All rows means simply I will say what a colon. Colon means what? Beginning row to last row. All the rows. How many columns, ma'am? Two columns. What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is that now? 2 colon 4. 2 colon 4. That will give you the last two columns. Are you following me? Right. In another way, how do you get it, mom? A of colon, comma, 2 colon, 2 colon. I will write like this. Are you following me? So that also will give you the same. Another way of writing is what? Colon, 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 2 colon, colon, 2 colon, colon. Same answer. A of colon, colon, 1, 2 colon, colon, 1. That is also give you the same answer. Are you following me? Right. Now, print of A. Last and final, I want to get it. Last and final. I want to get all 4 corner elements. All 4 corner elements, I want to get it. 4 corner elements, I want to get it. A of, A of, come on. ఈ టైంకి అలౌడ్ లేదని చెప్పేసి క్లోజ్ ద డోర్. సో 9:20 is the last. After 9:20, anybody comes not allowed. After 9:20, anybody comes not allowed. 9:20 last. Actually, our class will start at 9:10 only. I'm giving 10 minutes time for the 7 o'clock people for breakfast time. 9:20 last. After 9:21, anybody comes, not allowed. Just one girl got back, gone back. Come on, I will go for what? First row related. Row related. What is the answer? 3. 3. This is called 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 3 is like this. Are you following me? Right. Next, comma. I will write what? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this now? 0, colon, colon, what? Colon, colon, what also? 3. Colon, colon, 3. Maharaj, big. Colon, colon, 3. Colon, colon, 4. Colon, colon, 4 will not get anything. Colon, colon, 3 only. Are you following me? Right. So, come on. What is this now? A of. First of all, you can also write colon, colon, 3. Colon, colon, 3. So, the answer is what? Like this. Are you getting me? Right. You are getting. Next, you can also write it as what? 0 colon 4 colon 3. 0 colon 4 colon 3. You can also write like this. Are you following me? Same answer will be coming. Clear? Right. Last and final to make you to understand. I want to get it 50, 50, 90, 80, 35. I want to get only those elements. These are very, very important. Quick. So, first of all, are you following me? Right. So, this is called what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Start. A of 1 colon, 3 colon. Come on. 1 colon, 3. 1, 2, 3 means what? 1, 2, 2 only. What is this now? 1, 1, comma. Next, 0 colon, 0 colon, 4 colon. What is this now? 3, 3. Are you following me? This is a very, very important. It is also can be written as what? 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, 0 colon. I can write it. I can write it. Colon what? Colon what? 3. I can write like this also. So I will write it. A of print of what here? A. So now come on. A of 1 colon 3, comma. Okay. Colon 1, comma. Come on. 0 colon 4 colon what? 3. So the answer is like this: 50, 80, 90, 35. A of what? 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, colon 3, colon 3. This is also an answer. A of 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3. I can write it. 1 colon 3, comma. What I can do? 0 colon 3. Also I can write it. Get the same answer. A of 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, comma, colon 4, colon 3. Also, I can get the same answer. These many ways. Once you go to an interview, they will ask two questions. One is called what? They will show you the matrix. They will ask you, how do you get the elements called what? 20 and then 65 entered. How do you get the elements of 20 and 65? Last and final. Come on, answer. 20 and 65. So, first, be careful. A of 0 colon 4 colon 4 colon 1 ఎట్లవుతుంది మధుబాబు 3 3 నెక్స్ట్ 1 colon 2 colon 1 colon 2 colon 1 colon 2 1 colon 2 is nothing but what 1 to 2 minus 1 absent yesterday absent. Please go back because you are seeing something like stars you are seeing in the class. Because when you see some stars in the class, I will see stars in the day. That's why all good performers must be sit in the beginning chairs. Because yesterday absent means you are almost out of order only. So you can go to home also. You can take rest in the hostel also. Come on, are you following me? 0 to colon 0 colon 4 colon 3 means what? All the rows. Step 3. That will give you what? All rows. But columns is what? 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means what? 1 to 2 minus 1. 1 to 2 minus 1. Are you following? This is called what? 1 only. Okay. Right. Come on. A of 0 colon 4 colon 3. 1 colon 2 colon 1. So, beauty. You can also write it as what? Colon 3, comma, 1 colon 2. Also, beautiful. Right? So, first you need to have good hairstyle. You can comb any direction. So, subject is a fashionable part here. And that you need to know. A of 0 colon 3, comma, 1 colon 2. It is also going to be like this. Same thing. A of colon 4, colon 3, comma 1 colon 2 also will give you the same thing. This is with what? Positive indexing. Negative indexing also you can do. Negative indexing also you can do. Okay now. So if I want to get it, if you want to get it, the same thing like this, like this. If I want to go for getting into something like this, reverse 20 65, 65 20, reverse. Reverse concept is called extended slicing. Correct? It's easy. So once you know subject, you can do anything. Once you know cricket well, you can play anywhere. Four you can play. You know only one shot, another shot ball is coming, catch out. Correct? So subject is also like good efficiency required. Now I'm entering into the subject of what? ND. ND slicing, I want to go for it. Now ND slicing. ND array slicing, I'm going to enter. ND array slicing, I want to go for it. Now I'm entering into the ND array slicing. Let's start. What are the syntax I said, ma? What are the syntax? Come on, tell me. Already you know the syntax of 2D. Syntax of 2D. You said here where it is available. 2D syntax. Matrix beginning, of course, here. Row beginning, row ending, row step, column beginning, column step. Same thing. I will carry here. In this case, I will try to put it here. Students, try to follow me. Here I will write it. What I'll write it now? ND. Right? Same thing I will write it. Here I will write matrix row beginning. Matrix row beginning colon what? Matrix row ending colon. What is this now? Matrix row matrix step. Matrix step. Matrix step. I will go for it. Are you following me? So obviously, there's a matrix extra. It is going to come, and row beginning, row ending, row step will be coming. This is going to be similar thing. Now I'm going to take up this data once again. I will carry this part. I will carry once again. Here I'm going to write it very easy. Dot what? Reshape of 4 comma 4. No, how do you write it? 2 comma. Come on, 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. If I multiply all of them, it will become what matrix? What matrix? 3D now. 3D now. 3D. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12 only. Now 4 comma 2. Huh? Okay. 4 comma 2. Good. That's correct. That's correct. How many matrices? Two matrices. How many? Each matrix contains what? Two rows, four rows, and very good. Now, what is this matrix number 0? What is the matrix number 1? And 0th row, first row, second row, third row. 0th column, first column. 0th row, first row, second row, third row. 0th column, first column. Okay, now, ready to answer my question now? Okay, now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. This 10 and then 70. Okay, first I want to get it this data, students. 30, 40, 50, 60. I want to get this data only. This data only. This is which matrix? 0th matrix, first matrix. First you need to look at what which matrix you are having. Okay, start 0, 0, 1 minute. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1. Ramya Sri, student who is in the class yesterday said, sir, confusing. Sir, can you explain once again? You said at the end of the class. So I did not explain at that time to you once again. But I'm explaining now with a 3D. Ramya Sri. So come friend, mom. Come friend if you are present in the class. Are you there, Ramya Sri? So now I'm moving to the further. So I'm entering into this. Start with. What is this now? A of. First, how many details I need? Three details. Three details. What is the first detail? Matrix identification. Which matrix? Only zero matrix. What should I say? 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1 means what? 0 to 1 minus 1 is called 0 only. It means you are locating 0 matrix. Next, concentrate on rows. Which row? 1 to 2 row. It is called 1 colon 3. 1 colon 3 means what? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 2. 2 అని చెప్పకూడదు 1, 2, 2. చెప్పండి. Next, columns. Columns you need to take. Which columns? All columns. All columns means what? 0 colon 2. 0 colon 2. Following? Right. You can also write it as what? Colon 1. Colon 1. Comma, what is this? 100% I need to write 1 colon 3. Now colon 2 I can write it. Colon 2 I can write it. Are you following me? One more way you can write it. Colon 1. Colon 1. Comma. 1 colon 3 colon 1. Colon 2. Colon 1. You can write. You can write one more also. A of what? Colon 1 colon. Colon 1. Now 1 colon 3 colon 1. Next I can write it colon colon 1 also I can write it. So many styles. Do you know this style? Hmm. Yes, sir. Good. Now I will go to my answer now. Come on. 0 to 2. 0 to 2 or 1? 1. Next. 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Come on. Next. 0 to what? 0 colon 2. So you are going to get the data called what? 30, 40, 50, 60. 30, 40, 50, 60. Are you following me? Right. The same question, you can say what? Colon, colon. What the colon says? Colon like this. Come on, next. 1, 2, 3, colon. I will write simply colon. Shall get the same answer. A of, what is this now? Colon 1, comma 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, comma colon colon also you can say. You will get the same answer. You will get it what? Colon 1 colon 1. Next 1 colon 3 colon 1. Next colon colon 1. Right. Getting the same answer. Are you following me? Right. So don't buttify this. Just you have to understand. Once you understand, it is going to be so simple. Law student, maroon color shirt adjacent. Maroon color adjacent. Right. So stand up once. మెరూన్ కలర్ స్టూడెంట్ అడ్జసెంట్ ఆయన పక్కన అనే అర్థం నిన్న తెలుసు చిరంజీవి ఆయన రైట్ బటన్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు నో అండర్స్టూడ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ మీనింగ్ కోలన్ కోలన్ 1 యూ టెల్ మీ కోలన్ కోలన్ 1 ఫస్ట్ కోలన్ ఫస్ట్ కోలన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ టుడే ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చావు ఇక్కడికి కూర్చో రేపు నుంచి రాకు go to the place. Tomorrow onwards, if he come, he cannot understand. It's just losing the point. They follow me. Colon, colon 1. Did you understand? Right. Now I want to go for print of A once again. Print of A once again. Now I want to print. Be careful. I want to print. I want to print this 10 and this 70. This 10 and 70 I want to print. Get 10 and then what? This 10 and then this 70. See students, first class student, second class student, no. This is already started so many days back. Those students only can understand. If you come only today, it's not possible to understand. Beginning only I'm saying, when next batch will start, that time you can attend. Tell me now, how do you go for it now? Get 10 and 70. Come on, first. A of 0 colon 1, 0 colon 1. Come on. 0 colon 4 colon 3. 0 colon 4 colon 3. That means all the rows with what? Is third step. Come on, next. 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1 means that column only. Are you following me? 10 and 70. Beautiful. Next is called what here? Colon 1. Colon what? Colon colon 3. Comma what? Colon 1. Colon 1. What is this now? Colon 3. This is 3. 3 are they? Right, 3. Are you following me? Right. Next, I will write it here. Colon colon 1. Colon colon 1. Colon colon 3. Colon 1 I can write it. Are you following me? 1070. Are you following me? This is also very simple. Easy now? Right. Next, I am asking you, who will answer my question? Can you raise your hands? Anybody can answer my question? Just one question. You want to answer? Good. Good boy. He is also intermediate student. Colleague కూడా ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ colleague స్లీపింగ్ స్టూడెంట్. ఈరోజు గుడ్ బాగానే ఉన్నావు ఈరోజు. ఈరోజు స్లీపింగ్ ఈజ్ మోర్. Yesterday you are completely no, good student today. Now answer my question. I want to get it 10, 20, and I want to get it. I want to get it something like 90 and 15. I want to get it 10, 20. I want to get 90 and 15 because these are all very, very important. I need to have the answer now. A of silence. 0 colon 2, comma, 0. Say properly. Say loudly. I need to listen. 0 colon 1, comma, 0 colon 2. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right or wrong or don't know. Na. 0 colon 2 means what? Both the matrices. 0 colon 1 means what? First row. First row in both the places. 0 colon 2 means what? All the columns. Correct. Correct. Correct or wrong? మీకు కూడా తెలియదు. A of 0 colon 2, comma, 0 colon 1. Next is called what? 0 colon 2. So, answer is that 10, 20 and what? 19, 15. 1950. Good. Now I will go to how do I write it in another way? How do I write it in another way? Anybody can say? Tell me. Stand up. You tell me another way. He said to you, he's an intermediate. They're intermediate students. You don't know that. Both of them intermediates. Whose engineer is also their one friend is not there today. Tell me. Colon, colon, colon. Colon 2, comma, colon 1, comma. Colon, colon 1, comma. Colon 2. Okay. So, also same answer. With fearing you said, na? With fearing you said. Right. Good. Correct answer. No confidence. Because yesterday problem. Shadow. Anybody else? One more answer. Colon, 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 colon. Next is called what? Colon 1, colon 1, comma, colon, colon 1. That is also gives you the same answer. Are you following me? Right. Done. Next, I will go for one more question I want to ask you. One more question I want to ask you. I want to get it 30 this spot, and I want to get it this spot. I want to get this spot. I want to get these two things. I want to get these two things. Come on, how do you go for it? 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3. Come on, next. 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2. This is an output. You can also write it as what? Colon 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3. Next is called what? Simply colon. You can also write it as what? Colon, colon, 1 colon 3, and colon, colon. I can write it. This is also going to be an output. So, finally, tell me. A of 0 colon 2, 1 colon 3, 0 colon 2. So, you will get that. You will get that. A of colon 1 colon 3, comma colon. You will also get the same answer. A of colon colon 1, 1 colon 3, and colon colon. Beautiful. A of colon colon 1, and 1 colon 3 and colon 1 colon 1. Beautiful. So you want to get the same thing in reverse. You want to get the same thing in reverse. I'll go for colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. You'll get that upper one. So beautiful. Student knows Python or not, it is only coming because of what? Indexing and slicing only. And that too ND. This is compulsory question. Even you go to machine learning level also, the questions will be like this. Understand? Huh? Perfect? Huh? Right. So I'm preparing some set of questions for you people. Very soon I will post it for ND array object creation and indexing and slicing. Those things you try to practice. Very soon I will upload. Before going to complete this Numpy, I'll prepare some questions for you and I'll post it. You try to do that. Are you okay? Right. Now I am going to enter into the same thing with the last and final. I am going to take it. With this, I am going to take it. Last and final part. Be careful, mom. I'm going to take it 2 comma 2 comma 2 like this. What is this is called 4D. 4D. What is the shape? What is the shape? What is the shape? 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2. 4 times say 4 times. What is the first one? Cluster. Cluster. Second, matrices. Third and fourth. Rows and very good. Shall I go for the syntax? Syntax I am not writing. Can you tell me the syntax now? What is the syntax of 3D here? 3D slicing. Come on, mom. 3D slicing. Matrix beginning. Matrix ending. Matrix row beginning. Row ending. This is for 3D, right? Similarly, now I'll go to what? Come on. Cluster beginning. Cluster ending. Cluster step. Matrix beginning, matrix ending, matrix step, row beginning, row ending, row step, comma. Good, good. Will you remember? చెప్పడానికి బాగానే ఉంటుంది. For saying it is good, but for applying this is very complicated. Because cluster 3 points, matrix 3 points, row 3 points, column 3 points. Easy, even a dull student can remember. But applying time, total intelligence is required. Okay. Print of what? A. Of course, already A is printed. My concept today is I want to print it. This matrix plus this matrix I want to print. This matrix plus this matrix I want to print. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to print this matrix elements plus this matrix elements. How do I print it? Of how many things, ma? How many things? 4 things. Be careful and try to apply. Come on. 0, colon. Come on. Yes, beautiful. Colon 3, 0, colon 0, colon 2, 0, colon 2, comma 0, colon 2, comma 0, colon 2, 0, colon 2. This is your answer. Correct. 0, colon 4 means what? What is the meaning of this now? First of all, it is a wrong answer. It is a wrong answer. A of what? 0, colon 4, colon what you said? 3 na? 3. Next after that 0, colon 2 you said. 0, colon 2 you said. 0, colon 2 you said. What is happening you see? Are you getting? Are you getting? What is coming? Here only you are getting. Here only you are getting. Not getting the other things. It is a wrong answer. Observe. Odubavulu. This is called 0th cluster. This is called first cluster. 0th cluster, first cluster. This is called 0th matrix. This is called first matrix. This is called 0th matrix, first matrix. This is 0th row, first row. 0th column, first column. 0th column, first column. 0th column, first column. 0th row, first row. 0th row, first row. 0th column, first row. I want what? This matrix plus this matrix, I said. What I want? What I want? I want both the clusters. And both the clusters means what? 0, comma 2. Why? Both the matrices in both the sides. 0, comma 2 means 0, comma 1. Okay. Next, what I want? Matrix is important. Matrices. Do you want both the matrices here? No. No. What matrix I want? This matrix I want. Plus this matrix I want. Not this one, student. This one. This one. Not this one. This one only. Come on. If this you go for it, that is called advanced indexing. I'll go for it. Come on. Start with 0 colon 0 colon. I'm talking about what now? Matrices. 0 colon 1. Come on. 0 colon 1, comma. 0 colon 1 means what? In both the places, what is considered? 0th matrix only will be considered. Come on, what columns? Come on. Colon, that is called 0 colon 2 and 0 colon 2. That means all the rows and the columns I want. 0 colon 1 in these clusters means only one matrix in each cluster I want. That is the meaning of that. Are you following me? So, when we write it, tell me what I should do. A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 1, 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2. So I'm getting that. Are you getting me? This is the data. You cannot get this data, students. This one and this one, you cannot get it. If you want to go for it, this you need to go for advanced indexing. Next, I want to go for getting in another way. How do I get it? How do I get it? Colon, 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 I will get it. 0 colon 1, I will write it. Colon, I will get it. Colon, I will get it. So I'll get the same. Now I will write it. Colon, colon, I will get it. Next is called what? 0 colon, I will get it. 0 colon 1, I will get it. Comma, colon, colon, comma, colon, colon, you will get it. So I'll get the same thing. The last and final, you can also get like this. I'm just talking about the positive indexing and only. Positive indexing only I'm talking about it. Negative indexing also you can apply. You can get the same answer like this. Are you okay? Right. Print of A like this. Now I'm asking students, I want to get it 10, 20, 50, 60, 90, 15, 15, 65. I want these values. Please be careful. 0th cluster, 1 cluster. 0th matrix, first matrix. 0th matrix, first matrix. 0th row, first row. 0th row, first row, 0th row, first row. And obviously we have what? 0th row, first row, 0th column, first column, 0th column, first column. Are you following me? Start. A of 0 colon 1. That means all the clusters. Come on, next. 0 colon 2. Okay, good. Good students. Next. 0 colon what? 2. 0 colon 2. That means what? All the matrices. Next. 0 colon 1. 0 colon 2. 0 colon 2. Beautiful. Are you following me? Right. In another way, you can write it what? Colon. You can write a colon. You can write what? 0 colon 1. 0 colon. You can write like this. You can also write. You can also write what? Colon, 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 colon. What is this now? 0 colon 1. And you can write what? Colon. You can write like this. So this type of example understanding itself is very complicated. So you can write after that 1 1 also you can write it or not. 1 also you can write it. There are so many ways to do it. Tell me, what should I write it? A of 0 colon 2. Come on. 0 colon 2 now. 1 or 2 now. 2. Next 0 colon 1. 0 colon 2. 0 colon 2. So all the first elements are coming or not? So these elements are coming. You can also say it as what? A of colon. Next is called what? Colon. Next I can write it what? 0 colon 1 compulsory colon. Simply you can write it. Like this also you'll get it. A of you can get it colon and colon and colon 1 colon. You'll get like this also. Last and final colon 1 1 colon and colon 1. So you are going to get the same data. Following up, as this is related to the subject of what? The end array. Clear up? Like that, if any big array is given, you can go for like this. So Rohit is asking one question here. Look at that question once. Look at that question now. Rohit is a very well-known student to everybody in the class. So he is well-known students in the class because he said yesterday one important point to me. Sir, if both the matrix rows and columns are not equal, then can we read the values, sir? If matrix rows and columns not equal, then we can read the values, sir. You can do it. Already said that example 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Yesterday's 3 by 4, na? 4 by 3. I said yesterday class. Yesterday's our example also did. Already I did that example. Yesterday's class, if you look at Mr. Rohit, yesterday, you see, this is the rows. What is happening? Rows are how many? Three. How many columns? Are we getting or not? Mr. Rohit, yesterday's class. I think you did not see yesterday's class notes. Are you seeing this? Here, 3 rows, 4 columns are there. Mr. Rohit, already you asked once this doubt, I ignored it. And again you are asking at 10 a.m. So you asked this question earlier once. So, but I just ignored it. I think you will be understanding that, but you are asking the same thing again. So this is if both the matrix sources columns are not equal. Ashish is asking that. Ashish, not you. Ashish. Ashish doubt also going to be same. So Ashish, this is the Ashish doubt, right? So maybe he copied the same thing by himself and he added his own English. So this student got other doubt by himself. Okay, let it be. Any of both the students, I think you are getting it. Aditya Ram. So G Drive notes not opening properly. Okay, we'll send a mail to the Google Drive people. Please open the notes properly. So come to the point. Rohit saying, sir, but sir, matrix are different then. Matrix are different means he is expecting one row in the 2D, in the ND, one matrix 3 by 3, one matrix 4 by 4. Possible, first of all? So that is impossible. That is what where I said H stack and V stack concept I said or not. Rows and columns must be compatible. So first of all, practicing is required. Without practicing, you will get that type of doubts only. Anyhow, come to the point back. So when I'm taking any type of NDs when I'm taking it, you should ensure that what should be same? Matrix must be same. Matrix order must be same. Here, when you come to this ND related kind of thing, it is having 2 by 3, it is having 4 by 4. The type of things not possible. There is a matrix fundamentals. Already we are aware of it. So I think students, you are having like this. Are you following me now? Right. Now I want to enter into the another concept today. What is my concept today? As I said, I want a 1040. I want a 1040. I want a 60 70. I want 19 and then what? 25 and 35. I want 65, 55, 75. I want like this. How do you get it? With a normal slicing, not possible. With a normal slicing, not possible. With a normal indexing, not possible. So indexing and slicing will do what? Formula based, it will continue. What is the formula based? Row 2, that is one value to begin to end minus 1. provided begin less than what? End. With that formula, it will move forward, right? So it cannot take the elements without a formula based. Now I want to get the element something like this. Now I am entering into the concept of advanced indexing and advanced slicing. Go back to our conclusion part. Here, slicing. Yesterday I posted these notes. Once again, I am going to say to you, end array. To here I mentioned it more. To here I mentioned it. Here, row matrix positive and negative. Note I said, with a slicing operation, we cannot get what elements. For getting random elements, we must learn what? Advanced indexing and slicing. Advanced indexing and slicing. Are you able to follow now? So now I'm going to enter into the advanced indexing and slicing I'm going to take up. So let's start now. Well, so let us move to the further. Now I'm going to enter into the advanced indexing and slicing. So online students, I hope you are with me. You are continuing with me now. So Numpy, advanced indexing and the slicing, indexing and slicing, advanced indexing and slicing. So don't try to struggle all the times in 2025 time also. Normal for loop, normal operators, while loop, diagram, geometry box. These things, if you get it, you will not get even 2.5 lakhs also in the startup companies also will not. The total companies are almost upgraded to what AI kind of field now. So try to have this type of advanced programming, Python programming with NumPy pandas is very, very important. So try to come out and make the people to aware of it. Now I'm entering into the advanced indexing and slicing. So now I will go to advanced indexing. Carefully try to follow.